Hello ladies and gentlemen, andito muli ang inyong pangarap, kabalitan at kakampi, Sammy B Estoque, para sa subject na Law Enforcement Organization and Administration. This is now the part 6 of this subject with the title Administrative Machinery of the Philippine National Police. So what are the topics that will be discussed under this video presentation? First is the disciplinary authority for citizens' complaint, and second is the disciplinary authority for the breach of internal discipline. So, ano nga ba ang citizens' complaint at sino-sino nga ba yung may authority para mag-impose ng penalty against erring member of the Philippine National Police, no? So, citizens' complaint refers to any complaint by an individual person against any member of the PNP, no? And this complaint shall be brought before the following: to the Chief of Police, where the offense is punishable by withholding of privileges, restriction to specified limits, suspension or forfeiture of salary, or any combination thereof for a period of not exceeding 15 days. Okay? To the mayors of cities or municipalities, where the offense is punishable by withholding of privileges, restriction to specified limits, suspension or forfeiture of salary, or any combination thereof for a period of not less than 16 days but not exceeding 30 days. And to the People's Law Enforcement Board, if the offense is punishable by withholding of privileges, restriction to specified limits, suspension or forfeiture of salary, or any combination thereof for a period of exceeding 30 days or more than 30 days, or by dismissal, no? So madali lang naman tandaan, mga kapangarap, no? Pagka below 15 days, sino ang may karapatan para mag-suspend doon po sa kanyang tauhan? Yung pong Chief of Police. Kapag ka 16 days to 30 days, yung pong mayors of city or municipalities. Kapag ka naman more than 30 days hanggang dismissal, ang may kapangyarihan ay yung pong People's Law Enforcement Board, no? That is based from Section 41, Paragraph A of Republic Act Number 6975 as amended by Section 52 of Republic Act Number 8551. Okay. So, ano nga ba ang PLEB? Ayon sa Section 43 ng Republic Act Number 6975 as amended, there shall be at least one PLEB for every municipality and for each of the legislative district in a city. The PLEB shall have the jurisdiction to hear and decide citizens' complaint or civilian complaint or cases filed before its against erring officers and members of the Philippine National Police. There shall be at least one PLEB for every 500 city or municipal police personnel. So ang ratio po ng PLEB sa police ay 1 PLEB for every 500 police officers, ladies and gentlemen. So, ano nga ba ang bumubuo sa People's Law Enforcement Board bilang unang sumbungan ng mga mamamayan laban sa mga abusadong miyembro ng Philippine National Police? Okay? So, based from Section 43 of Republic Act Number 6975, Paragraph B, the PLEB shall be composed of the following: any member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod or Sangguniang Bayan chosen by his respective Sanggunian. Second, any barangay captain of city or municipality concerned chosen by the Association of Barangay Captains. and 3 other members who shall be chosen by the Peace and Order Council from among the respected members of the community of known probity and integrity. And take note, one of whom must be a member of bar, in the absence thereof, a college graduate, or the principal of the Central Elementary School in the locality. The chairman of the PLEB shall be elected among its members. The term of office of members of PLEB shall be a period of 2 years from assumption of office. Such member shall hold office until his successor shall have been chosen and qualified. That is under RA number 6975, no? But under RA number 8551, yung term of office ay ginawa na pong 3 years. Okay? So take note sa mga bumubuo, mga kapangarap sa People's Law Enforcement Board, isang sangguniang bayan o sangguniang panglungsod, isang barangay captain at 3 na civilian with known probity and integrity. Dumako naman tayo mga kapangarap sa procedure sa pagdinig ng kaso ng People's Law Enforcement Board, kung ano nga ba ang proseso, no? The PLEB by majority vote of all its members and its chairman shall determine whether or not the respondent officer or member of PNP is guilty of the charge upon which complaint is based. Second, each case shall be decided within 60 days from the time the case has been filed with the People's Law Enforcement Board or PLEB, as the central entity for citizens' complaint. Third, the procedures in PLEB shall be summary in nature, considering that it is a quasi-judicial body, conducted in accordance with due process, but without strict regard to the technical rules of evidence. Decisions. The decisions of PLEB shall become final and executory, provided that the decision involving the demotion or dismissal from the service may be appealed by either of the party with the Regional Appellate Board within 10 days from the receipt of the copy of decision. Ayan. So kung ikaw ay pulis, ikaw po ay tinanggal or dinismiss or dinemote ng PLEB, then anong gagawin mo? Meron kang 10 araw para iapila yung pong administrative case mo doon po sa Regional Appellate Board. Okay, so doon po nagtatapos yung pong citizens complaint. Let us proceed to breach of internal discipline. Okay, so what is internal discipline? In dealing with minor offenses involving internal discipline found to have been committed by any regular member of the respective commands, the duly designated supervisors and equivalent officers of PNP shall, after due notice and summary hearing, exercise disciplinary powers as follows. The Chief of Police or its equivalent supervisors may summarily impose the administrative punishment of admonition or reprimand, pagsasabihan, yung pong kanyang tauhan, restriction to specified limits, withholding of privileges, forfeiture of salary, or suspension, or any combination of the foregoing, provided that in all cases the total period shall not exceed 15 days. Okay, so pagka 15 days below, yan ang magbibigay po ng disciplinary action ay yung pong Chief of Police, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Then, Provincial Director or its equivalent supervisors may summarily impose the administrative punishment of admonition or reprimand, restriction to specified limits, withholding of privileges, forfeiture of salary, or suspension of any combination of the foregoing, provided that in all cases it shall not exceed 30 days. Yan po, sa Provincial Director shall not exceed 30 days. What if it exceeds 30 days? No? It will be under the jurisdiction of the police regional director or its equivalent supervisors. Okay? So he or she shall have the power to impose upon any member the disciplinary punishment of dismissal from service. He may also impose the administrative punishment of admonition or reprimand, restriction to specified limits, withholding of privileges, suspension or forfeiture of salary, demotion, or any combination of the foregoing, provided that in all cases, the total period shall not exceed 60 days naman. No? Then, the Chief PNP shall have the power to impose the disciplinary punishment of dismissal from service, suspension or forfeiture of salary, or any combination thereof for a period of not exceeding 180 days. No? Pagka combination, no, not more than 180 days, pagka yung Chief of the Philippine National Police. So yan mga kapangarap, so inyong natunghayan, no? Yung pong citizens complaint or civilian complaint laban sa police, ang mga magdidesisyon, Chief of Police, yung mayor at yung pong PLEB. Samantala sa breach of internal discipline, yung pong nag-violate ay PNP member at yung mag-impose ng penalty ay kapwa pulis din na may katungkulan. Yun po mga kapangarap. So, let us proceed to the exclusive jurisdiction provided under Section 41, Paragraph C of Republic Act Number 6975 as amended. Exclusive jurisdiction. A complaint or a charge filed against PNP member shall be heard and decided exclusively by the disciplining authority who has acquired the original jurisdiction over the case, and notwithstanding the existence of a concurrent jurisdiction as regard the offense, provided that offenses which carry higher penalties referred to a disciplining authority shall be referred to the appropriate authority which has a jurisdiction over the case. Ayan. So tandaan po, ano, yung pong exclusive original jurisdiction na may hawak doon po sa kaso, yung po ang didinig sa kaso. Subalit, kapag ka po yung pong penalty ay mas mataas, kailangan pong i-refer doon po sa disciplining authority with the jurisdiction over the offense that was committed by the erring member of the Philippine National Police. Okay, so bawal po yung forum shopping, di ba? So nag-file ka na nga sa COP, nag-file ka pa sa mayors of city or municipality, ayan, bawal po yon para sa pagpa-file ng cases laban sa mga pulis. Ang tawag po doon ay forum shopping. Dumako naman tayo mga kapangarap para sa definition ng minor offense, no? For the purpose of this act, that is Republic Act number 6975, no? Minor offense shall refer to an act or omission not involving moral turpitude but affecting the internal discipline of the Philippine National Police, and shall include but not limited to the following. Number 1, simple misconduct or negligence, no? Number 2, insubordination. Number 3, frequent absences or tardiness. Number 4, habitual drunkenness. And number 5, gambling prohibited by law. Okay, so those are considered as minor offenses under our Republic Act number 6975 as amended, ladies and gentlemen. So, mga self-explanatory naman yung mga violation tulad ng simple misconduct o yung tinatawag na malfeasance, o kaya negligence or yung neglect of duty, no? Insubordination, hindi sinunod po yung pong lawful order ng kanyang superior. Yan, madalas na pag-absent o kaya naman pagka-late. Kaya po sa criminology o sa klase, stricto po tayo sa oras dahil sa PNP, stricto rin po sila sa oras, mga kapangarap. Habitual drunkenness or palaging nakainom pagka pumapasok at syempre yung pagsusugal ay bawal po sa Philippine National Police. Okay, so the next topic, ladies and gentlemen, is the summary dismissal powers of the PNP chief and the regional directors. The chief of the Philippine National Police and the regional directors, after due notice and summary hearings, may immediately remove or dismiss any respondent PNP member in any of the following cases. Letter A, when the charge is serious and the evidence of guilt is strong. Letter B, when the respondent is a recidivist or has been repeatedly charged and there are reasonable grounds to believe that he is guilty of the charges. And letter C, whether the respondent is guilty of conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Okay? So take note of the grounds for summary dismissal and those who have summary dismissal powers, which is the Chief PNP and the regional directors. Dumako naman tayo, mga kapangarap, sa tinatawag na disciplinary appellate boards. Saan naman pwedeng mag-apila kapag yung pong pulis na na-dismiss or natanggal sa serbisyo o kaya naman na-demote ay hindi kontento doon po sa desisyon ng quasi-judicial bodies or yung pong disciplinary authority. Yan. So saan siya pwedeng mag-apila? The formal administrative disciplinary machinery for the PNP shall be the National Appellate Board and the Regional Appellate Boards. The National Appellate Board shall consist of 4 divisions, each division composed of a commissioner as a chairman and 2 other members. The board shall consider appeals from the decision of Chief of the Philippine National Police. So tandaan, ano ang ini-entertain at pwedeng iapila doon sa National Appellate Board, yung pong decision ng Chief of the Philippine National Police. And sabi pa dyan, mga kapangarap, the National Appellate Board may conduct its hearing or sessions in Metropolitan Manila or any part of the country as it may deem necessary, based from Section 44 of Republic Act Number 6975 as amended. Paano naman kapag ang nag-decide ng kaso mo ay yung mayor, PLEB, regional director? Saan ka pwedeng mag-apila or saan mo pwedeng i-apila yung kaso mo? No? So doon po sa tinatawag na Regional Appellate Board. No? There shall be at least 1 regional appellate board per administrative region. So in every region, there is regional appellate board or RAB. No? In the country, to be composed of the senior officer of the regional commission as a chairman and 1 representative each from the PNP and the Regional Peace and Order Council as members. It shall consider appeals from decision of the regional directors, other officials, mayors, and plebs, provided that the Commission may create additional regional appellate board as the need arises. So tandaan, ilang araw po yung pag-aapila po ng kaso? That is not later than 10 days. Okay, so kung dinesisyonan ng PLEB yan, no? Dahil ikaw ay dinismiss, kailangan may apila mo yung kaso sa Regional Appellate Board not later than 10 days from the receipt of the decision of PLEB or other officers. So dumako naman tayo mga kapangarap sa finality of disciplinary action. The disciplinary action imposed upon a member of the PNP shall be final and executory, provided that a disciplinary action composed by the regional director or by the PLEB involving demotion or dismissal from the service may be appealed to the regional appellate board within 10 days from the receipt of the copy of notice of decision. So, tandaan nyo po yan po yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Provided further that the disciplinary action imposed by the chief of the PNP involving demotion or dismissal may be appealed to the National Appellate Board within 10 days from receipt thereof. Provided furthermore that the regional or national appellate board, as the case may be, shall decide the appeal within 60 days from the receipt of the notice of appeal. Provided finally that failure of the regional appellate board to act on the appeal within said period shall render the decision final and executory without prejudice. However, to the filing of an appeal by either party with the Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government. Okay, so napakalinaw po mga kapangarap. Saan pwedeng mag-appeal kapag dinesisyonan po yan ng PLEB or regional directors? Pwede kang mag-appeal sa Regional Appellate Board 10 days from receipt of the copy of the notice of decision. Yan. Kapag ka na-file mo naman sa Regional Appellate Board or National Appellate Board, hindi pa rin umaksyon within 60 days, pwede ka namang mag-apila doon po sa Secretary of DILG. Subalit, sabi dyan, kapag ka wala kang apila na ginawa, then definitely, the decision will be considered final and executory, ladies and gentlemen. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating usapan tungkol po sa administrative case. Kung makikita nyo, ang highest administrative case is dismissal from service and perpetual disqualification. Dumako naman tayo sa jurisdiction of criminal cases against member of the Philippine National Police provided from Section 46 of Republic Act 6975 as amended. A jurisdiction of criminal cases. Any provision of the law to the contrary notwithstanding criminal cases involving PNP members shall within the exclusive jurisdiction of regular courts. So tandaan nyo, ilan po yung klase ng kaso? Tatlo. Meron tayong tinatawag na kasong kriminal or criminal cases, kasong civil or civil cases na pinafile po sa regular courts. No? Ano yung regular courts? We have the first level court, second level court, or regional trial court, court of appeals, at saka Supreme Court. No? Basta kasong kriminal at civil, doon po pwedeng i-file. Yan. So ano yung mga pinafile po sa PLEB, sa Chief of Police, sa Mayor's Office, or sa Regional Director, sa Provincial Director, yun po ay tinatawag na administrative cases or kasong administratibo. At yun po yung mga tinatawag natin na quasi-judicial bodies. No? Yung pong PLEB and other disciplinary authority. Okay? So yun po ang kanilang pwedeng dinggin lamang ay mga administrative cases. Okay? Pero kung criminal case yan, may krimen na ginawa yung isang pulis, saan pwedeng sampahan ng kaso? Doon po sa regular courts, mga kapangarap. Sana po ay naliwanagan ang iyong isipan tungkol po sa criminal case laban sa ating kapulisan. Maraming salamat mga kapangarap, kaibigan at kakampi sa iyong pagsubaybay sa inyong abang lingkod, Sammy B Estoque. Yan. Kung meron kang natutunan dito po sa ating short video presentation, huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click po yung ating bell button at i-click ang all para ikaw po ay ma-update kapag ako ay nag-upload ng mga succeeding videos. Okay. Maraming salamat and God bless us all.